Guys, in this video, we will be learning dictionary in Python. Dictionaries are Python's implementation of a data structure that is more generally known as an associative array. A dictionary consists of a collection of key value pairs. Each key value pairs maps the key to its associated data. So let's see how to create a dictionary. Let me take dictionary 1, curly braces, employee name. This could be a property name or keys name. Raj. We can have other property age. So this is the way how we can create a dictionary. Let's print dictionary. Let's run the program. Dictionary is printed. We can define a dictionary with other way, like let's say we may have one more property department that could consist multiple items in a list. Okay, this is another way of creating dictionaries. Let's print. Okay, we can also create a empty dictionary. How to do that? Empty dictionary. Let's take one variable. Let's print it. Even get the type. Let's run the program. You see, empty dictionary was printed, and this is a type of class dict. How we can access the dictionary's values? The keys of dictionary can be used to obtain the values because they are unique from one another. Always key is used to get the values of dictionary. How to do it? Then what we can say, dict1, we want to get employee name, then we will print. Okay, this is a way we can get the values from key. Let's run. Raj is printed. Got it? The dictionary is a mutable data type, and utilizing the right key allow you to change its value. Let's take a empty dictionary. We have already taken empty dictionary here. Okay, there is nothing. Let's say 0 name. We can send then email. Okay, we are taking 0 and 1 as a key. We have to set its name like Raj, email raj@gmail.com, IT, purchase. Now let's try to print empty dictionary again. Let's run the program. If you find 0 Raj, on first we have email, second we have departments. This is called a key, this is called a value. We can have another example of dictionary. We have to take input from user and then create a dictionary. Let's see. We take dictionary 3. This is empty dictionary. Let's print dictionary 3. Then we will be taking inputs. So we say employee name. We have to say input name, enter name. So on console, the cursor will prompt. User has to provide input as a name. Same we can take age. This we have to cast because we will be taking integer as a age, and then we will print the dictionary. Okay, let's run the program. So you see, it is asking for name. Let me take Dinesh. Then it is asking for age. I'm saying it is 50. Then it printed the dictionary created at the runtime. So it is called runtime. We are providing the inputs from console and dictionary is created. Now let's see how we can delete elements from dictionary. So to delete, we have to use del, then dictionary 3. We will be removing employee name. Okay. Dictionary with input after deleting. Okay, let's run the program. It is asking for input. This time I'm saying Mahesh, age 45. You see, before deleting the key from dictionary, the output was employee name and employee age. After deleting employee name from dictionary key, then dictionary is printed like employee age. Another feature we have on dictionary is deleting element using pop method. The pop method is one of the way to get rid of elements from a dictionary. The value connected to a specific key in a dictionary is removed using the pop method. Before removing key, okay, let's print first. Okay, now what we want, we will be using pop function for dictionary 1 pop. If you see the function, it is expecting the key. Okay, we have to provide a key name here to remove from the dictionary. So we can provide employee name. Okay, we want to remove it. After removing key, let's run the program. You see, after removing key from dictionary, only age is there. How we can iterate dictionary? A dictionary can be iterated using for loop. We can take dictionary 2. Okay, first we will print dictionary 2. Let's run. So this is our dictionary. We have to iterate it. To iterate it, we have to use for x in dictionary 2, then print x. Okay, just run the program. You see, employee name, age, and department keys are retrieved. If you want to retrieve values as well, then we can take y. Anything you can take here. Okay, then we can use its method items. Okay, let's run. You see, now values are printed along with key names. If you want to get the keys only, then you can find keys. So these are the keys only. If you want values, all values together, then you can get values. You see, if you want both things, then you have to use items x, y, then you can print x and y. Let's run. Okay, so both things are printed. Built-in dictionary functions means these functions. Okay, you see on the dictionary when we type in dot, so you could see so many methods over there. The first function is len function. We can get the length of dictionary. Let's say print len dictionary 2. Let's run. So the length of the dictionary is 3. There are 3 key values. Next function is any. The any function returns true indeed if one dictionary key does have a boolean expression that evaluates to true. We have dictionary say 4. We have true, false. We will say print any. We can say dictionary 4. It will print true. Let's run again. It will print true because there is one value in this dictionary that is true. Let me take this true as a false, then try to print. So it is false then. So one condition is checked. Okay. Second, if we have empty dictionary, it will return a false value. Let's see. Dictionary 5. We have empty dictionary. Then we'll be printing dictionary 5. Let's say any with empty. Let's run the program. We have some items, key values. Let's say name. Then we have value, Raj. It will now return true because there are some items. You see. Now let's see sorted function. One dictionary, dictionary 6. We can take 2 Raj, 1 Mahesh, 3 Rohan. Okay. Let's try to use sorted function. So we'll be printing first sorted dictionary 6. First we will print dictionary first, then we will be using sorted. So we can say without sorted, then we will apply sorted dictionary 6, then we will try to print sorted. Okay, before sorted and after sorted. Let's run the program. You see, we have retrieved sorted dictionary keys. Okay, it will copy the same dictionary to the other one. Let me take dictionary 7 and then say dictionary 6 dot copy. Then we will print dictionary 7. Let me take dictionary 7 as a blank. Okay, right. Let's run the program. You see, the same dictionary is copied to the new one, right? This was our dictionary 6. Then we have get the new copy of this dictionary 6 to the dictionary 7. Okay, copy. Next function we have clear. We can clear out this dictionary 7. It will wipe out all the keys and values from the dictionary. We can say before clearing dictionary 7. We can say after clearing. Let's run. Before clearing the dictionary or saving keys and values. After clearing we have nothing now. Another function we have pop item. Let's see how it will work. We have already dictionary 6 with us. Okay, this is dictionary 6. So we can use this one. Pop item will remove the most recent key value pair entered, right? Initial dictionary 6. We can print. Let's run. This is our initial dictionary. Okay, dictionary 6 dot pop item. Then we can say after using pop item dictionary 6. Let's run. You see, the most recent key value pair is removed. Okay, so only two Raj, one is Mahesh, the Rohan is removed. Get function. Okay, we can get any specific key values by using get method. So how to do it? Let's say we have dictionary 6, this one. I want to get second item. Okay, value from key as a 2. Take this statement as a print. It will return us. Let's see. So it printed Raj. Okay. Let's see now update method. It mainly updates all the dictionary by adding the key value pair of the dictionary. Okay. Let me take dictionary 8, name Raj, age 60, print dictionary 8. So this is printed. Let's see how update works. I want this Raj to be updated with some other name on this key name, right? So how to do it? We can update, then we can say on name other names to be updated. Okay, this is the notation. Okay, after updating. Okay, let's run. You see, before updating it was Raj. After updating it becomes now Kishore on this key.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.